We lived in Hingham 36 years at this point, and half that period of time we've been engaged with the Hingham Historical Society. Thanks to Martha's introduction, she sort of pulled me in, and it's been a lot of fun through that 18-year period. We've met a lot of great people, we've learned a lot, and it's been a great experience for us. The mission and vision of the society, I think, struck a significant nerve. We could see the importance of underwriting old historical properties, artifacts, and the many educational programs that were part of the day-to-day activity of the Historical Society.
I'm always interested in history, so this was a logical organization to join. And I started out archiving right here in this building, and now I am volunteering at the Old Ordinary. And I'm very pleased with the programs for the elementary school and for the high school as well. It's a good way to get young people interested in history.
We like to understand that our gifts are well used and focused on those things that are mission and vision oriented. And that's been our experience since we've been involved. Due to the excellence of the management of the Historical Society, both at the executive level and at the board level. We hope that you would join Martha and I in gifting to the Hingham History Fund.